Hello ka-umami! Snake fruit na naman po ang ating kakainin. Ito po yung natatanging prutas na hindi ko gusto. Pero baka daw magustuhan ko na ito dahil isang variety po ito o isang klase. So this is Indonesian variety.
Yes,
Parang they call it Indonesian variety. Ito po yung variety na hindi ko gusto dahil merong hindi magandang amoy at lasa. Na may tinik siya. This one have no tinik.
No.
Now, snake talaga yung balat niya. Tingnan nyo. Mas makinis. We have something similar in the Philippines but size like a longgan. Yun pong litto ko o barit na tinatawag yung napakaasim. But that one is very sour. I don't know if same taste. Wala po siyang amoy katulad nito.
I remember in Thailand also have this
The
fruit.
litto ko? Really?
Same this.
Maasim?
Maasim.
Meron din sa kanila.
But now look like they improve.
Okay. So, sabi niya, magugustuhan ko daw ito. Kaya niya in-order. At mukhang oo dahil matigas daw ito sa loob. Mabigat nga kumpara dito. Walang smell. Doesn't have smell like this, no?
May
So, let's eat it. Same skin.
Open na.
Ay!
Easy peel off, no?
Yeah, easy to open. Wala, parang snake po talaga yung balat niya. That tree, how about that tree? Same?
Same na. เป็นต้นไม้เหมือนกัน
Parehas lang yung ano. Oo nga.
เปิดอย่างนี้เลย
Walang amoy. Feeling ko magugustuhan ko ito.
เนี่ยเปิดอย่างนี้ได้เลยเนี่ย
Okay. Papakahirap pa ako.
เพราะมันไม่มีขน
Oo nga, matigas yung laman. It's matigas. Ay, may langaw. Kumpara dito, matigas po siya kasi yung isa ay malambot na juicy, no? This one is hard and dry.
dry ไม่ juicy นะ
Tatlo po yung laman niya. Ang tigas. Ay, wow. Let's try it. Feeling ko gusto ko to.
Crunchy ด้วยเนาะ
Iba yung lasa. Different taste. Teka lang, may kalasa. I think it has similar taste with...
Similar taste.
With what?
Sweet.
May asim-asim na kaunti. A little bit of sour, sweet. May pagka. They have similarity, but not strong smell. Gusto ko siya.
Meat เยอะ
Maraming karne daw, laman.
Meat เยอะ
I remember when we when we mukbang this, there's a comment. They tell me wala naman daw amoy. It has no smell. Maybe they eat this variety.
Maybe. Yes.
May mga nag-comment po noon, bakit daw ayaw ko, wala namang amoy. Baka po ito yung nakakain ninyo.
The texture ไม่ same. This one crunchy.
Ang sarap!
Crunchy ไม่ juicy. No juicy.
Crunchy, dry. Anong kalasa, Daddy?
Easy eat เนาะ
Easy. What fruit is kalasa niya? Wala akong maisip. May siya, may kanyang lasa siya, wala siyang kalasa. Ang buto niya.
Meat กับ seed can separate กันนะอะไร that one cannot separate meat กับ seed.
Oh, really? Yeah. Kasi yung isa, para siyang santol, nakabalot yung seed niya. Ang galing!
I like it both.
You like both, Char. Favorite niya po ito, which is ayaw na ayaw ko. Is this expensive? Ay, may maasim?
อร่อยนะmaasim แต่อร่อย
Ang sarap! I'll try the different Baka may mas masarap pa. Laki,
Crunchy, sweet,
I want the suwe-suwe. Ayan.
sour.
Ang ganda, parang snake po talaga siya, Parang banig. Ang dali niyang balatan. Salak po pala ang ibang tawag dito. I'm not sure if, kasi may mga nagsabi po noon, meron daw sa atin sa Pilipinas, but I'm not sure if we have this kind or this one, yung maamoy. Ang galing, Crunchy to,
You can eat นะเนี่ย
Is this expensive?
No.
How much?
I think same price.
Same. May niluluto po ako dito sa tabi. Sarap! Salak, snake fruit. How do you call in Thai?
Sola Indo.
Sala Indo. This one,
Is Sola.
Sala yang
Somali.
Somali. Indo is kasi Indonesia.
Sola Somali like a improvement species in Thailand.
Ito yung in-improve nila, yung ayoko.
It's why it's sweet.
I like the original one.
Sweet and strong smell.
Ang tapang po kasi ng amoy.
If original na very sour. Maasim.
They different texture, no? Nakatikim na po ba kayo ng ganito? Na-amaze ako kasi
Like snake.
kaninang dumating, nagulat nga ako kasi ay ito lang pala. Sabi ko, hindi ko gusto to eh.
มีสีส้มด้วย
Ha?
สีส้ม
Ay wow, ba't ganon?
มี orange ด้วย orange ด้วย
Hindi pa buo yung kanyang pagkatao.
try ไหม orange อ่ะ try
Maybe same taste with the original.
I think เปรี้ยวนะ
Chut. No taste at
no
all.
taste.
Matabang. Ang galing.
no taste
กินเยอะๆไม่อันตรายเหรอ
ไม่ก็เป็นผลไม้
Baka hindi pwede sa Sa bagay, wala naman tayong mga Ay, ang liit ng isa. Wala naman tayong mga karamdaman like high blood. Ang sarap.
อร่อย อร่อย
I like it.
like it's crunchy and sweet
Wait lang, I will baliktad my Ayan, binaliktad ko po yung aking niluluto. So, salak, Indo, or snake fruit Indonesia, pero dito na po nila itinatanim. Ito yung kanilang original daw. Sarap. Wala pong kalasa ng ibang prutas, kaya
เป็นอะไร
saud. Kaya that's why I cannot explain what fruit is what fruit. Ang hirap naman magpaliwanag. Kung anong kalasa niya.
ใหญ่
Ang laki.
ใหญ่มาก
Yung buto niya, parang yung barit natin. O yung lito ko. May kaunting pakla-pakla po siya. Siguro hilaw pa.
กินไปกินมาก็อิ่มเลยนะเนี่ย
Nakakabusog.
มีเยอะ
Ang sarap pa naman ng niluluto ko, tortang talong. Ma-upload po natin yung mga ganyang luto sa ating cooking page, Ka Umami. Marami nga po palang nagtatanong kung sa akin din daw po ba iyon. Baka fake account na naman. Akin din po at pag-support din. Doon po yung ating mga simpleng luto, mga ulam ideas at marami pang iba. So kung nakatikim na po kayo nito, paki-comment naman below ano ang tawag natin at meron ba what we have in the Philippines, ito ba o kung ito. Paki-comment po, paki-share ang video kung nagustuhan. Bye!
Bye